If you are in the business of importation or you are about to start and you don't know how to interact with Chinese suppliers and factory representatives simply because they don't speak or understand English, like this one.
22年的春款的新版高品质的无痕无痕衬衫，面料的话是一个锦纶加暗纶。
Hello， 家人们，我今天就带着大家看看我们家到底备了多少裙款。
来看一下高弹力无痕压压定型免熨免烫的，不起球不缩水不变形，而且机洗手洗都是。
If this is like in your case, don't worry. In this video, I will teach you how to effectively interact with Chinese suppliers and agents who don't speak or understand English language, and then quickly show you how to translate Chinese language written on a piece of paper like invoice into English using your cell phone. Just a quick note before we get the party started. If you are new to this channel, quickly like, subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified on my next upload. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, drop them in the comment section of this video. I'll be happy to receive them. In my previous video, I talked about contact as one of the keys to success in the business of importation. But what if the contact, that is, your supplier and agent does not speak or understand English language? How do you communicate? The irony part of the game is that most often such category of suppliers are the ones who have the best design and sell their goods at the cheapest price. The question remains, how do you communicate or interact with such a supplier or representative or agent? In 2011, Wishart, a Chinese instant messaging, social media and mobile payment app was developed by Tencent. One of the striking purposes of developing this app, among others, is to help Chinese businessmen and women who don't speak or understand English interact with the rest of the world. With Wishart, you can translate English into Chinese and Chinese into English. Now listen. When you receive a chart in Chinese language, press and hold on it. Then click Translate. On the other hand, when you chat in English, your supplier will as well translate in Chinese too. Now, listen to their kind of English.
Hello, boss, you, how are you? You before the money, no send the money for me, before. Color 还no come, tomorrow 故事才 come.
This is interesting, right? To understand this kind of grammar, you may have to listen to it as many times as possible. If you still did not understand, tell him to write in ABC so that you can translate in English. If there is any document written in Chinese language, such as receipt of purchase, and you want to translate to English like this, simply go to Wishart, click on the plus sign, scan, translate, photo. Select the image you want to translate. This is the receipt of my purchase after the outbreak of COVID-19. As you can see, you can translate back to Chinese or you translate to English and then download. I hope you enjoy the whole process. Just a quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do that right now and let me know your feelings about this video in the comment section. If you also want to learn how to import items from China to any part of Africa, from me as an experienced importer, visit the link on your screen right now to enroll into my complete importation training or hook me up via WhatsApp on the number on your screen. Finally, with Wishart, you can interact with Chinese businessmen and women who don't speak or understand English. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again on my next video. I'll see you then.